buying stuff online with Apple Cash is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy stuff online using Apple Cash. So for that, you need to have an Apple card, which looks something like that. You can get it by, going to the Apple Pay, and you can easily apply for the card. This is how the card should look. Now, the process is pretty simple. You need to go to Amazon and you need to select any of the products. You need to add them to your cart, and after that, you have to click on this proceed to checkout. And after that, this is how the checkout page should look. You just have to select, about a credit or debit card. You just have to add that. And after that, you can easily add your credit card number, your name, and stuff like that. So how can you, put the card's information like that? So for that, you need to go to your Apple Wallet, and in your Apple Wallet, you will easily be able to find your Apple Card, which looks like that, MasterCard. You have to tap on that. You will be able to find all the details about your card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can pay for your online stuff in using Apple Cash. Hope you guys find this video helpful.